You searched how to buy shares of Brixmor Property Group Inc. Brixmor is a real estate investment trust that owns and manages open-air shopping centers. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker BRX, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the workflow. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to be able to place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BRX to locate the company listing. Make sure to select the result labeled Brixmor Property Group Inc. to find the correct security. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent trading activity. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker BRX so you are on the correct page. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details before confirming the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add money before it can complete the purchase. After execution, or when your order is queued, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For more information, use the link in the description to visit eToro.